Art Rules Aruba, in its 5th year running, promises to be one of the best years yet. Plus, in today's lifestyle segment, let's check out how emotional World Cup soccer can really be. And Copa Airlines goes from 4 flights to 11 a week. 15 on 15 starts right now. Hi everyone, thank you for joining us. I'm Yentl Lieuw. Summer vacation is here for an estimated 300 students on the island. This means it's that time of year again when they get the opportunity to further their art abilities with Art Rules Aruba. In its 5th year running, organizers are ensuring that this is a great anniversary year. Art Rules Aruba is back for its 5th year. For this particular summer session, Ida and Ida Kip carefully selected instructors from around the world to be part of our Art Rules Aruba 2014. 2 very familiar faces will be taking on teaching duties as well.
This year we're also very excited with the teachers that we invited because it's 5 years. We really wanted to look, okay, who are the people that we can bring to the island that can be part of this amazing celebration of 5 years. So I'm not going to say any names yet, but we have some amazing people coming to do the workshops. And then in addition to that, because we've been working behind the scenes all these years, we said, well, how can we artistically also put in our own expertise? So I am actually teaching the theater workshop, and Ida will do a business workshop, a business masterclass actually for the kids. Because as an artist, that's also an important thing to know.
Due to the popularity of the summer program, a junior class has been introduced. Younger students are able to experience each different art discipline to help them figure out which one they are most interested in for the future.
This year, we're actually, as a bonus workshop, we're introducing the junior workshop, which is for kids between 9 and 12 years old. And it's kind of a pilot. We're just trying it out, but in our application process, we already realized that it might actually really work because the class was full immediately. So we're very excited to see a younger group come in and see how can we prep them for arts education on a higher level. So we're extremely excited about that.
The organizers are looking to expand Art Rules into the region to see what the Caribbean has to offer. They want kids to know that it is okay to develop a career within the arts.
What motivates us is really the results that come out of Art Rules, seeing that kids are actually pursuing a study in the arts, and that we have a lot of students now currently studying in different countries around the world, and they were inspired through Art Rules Aruba to do that. So that for us is a big motivation to continue offering advanced arts education on the island, and expand the Caribbean region with Art Rules Curacao debuting right after Aruba when we finish. So, if we can continue to keep doing that, then hopefully in a few years we'll see a lot more kids choosing, to do what they love. And if they love art, then it's okay that you can, pursue a career in that.
On Saturday, July 5th, Art Rules Aruba will be hosting a kickoff party in front of Casa Cultura for all students and parents. They are all invited. And moving forward, the Radisson GM Challenge is taking place Saturday, July 5th as well. The staff of the Radisson are committed to getting into a healthier routine and healthier lifestyle. The general public of Aruba are asked to come out and support.
Sneakers on, ready on the street, in all their mind, my fences to be. Many reasons, many heads and defeat, fighting to be the top, number 5.
It's going to be a unique event for everybody. Bring your husbands, your wives, your children, your friends. Everybody is welcome, and everything is for free. Radisson is trying to inspire the whole community of Aruba to start thinking healthier, eating healthier, move more, so we have less obese people on Aruba and happier people and more productive people.
The GM Challenge will take place at Bushiribana from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. For the soccer fans out there, don't worry. The Radisson has arranged for a big flat-screen TV to be set up at the GM Challenge so supporters won't miss the game. ATV's social media guru Rebecca Santos will sing to open the ceremony. We will be right back. Stay with us. Welcome back from the break. Now, who says soccer is just a sport? Certainly, the World Cup means a lot to many people. Winning or losing both can be pretty emotional. Here's a video to put things into perspective for you as to how emotional the World Cup can be.
That's football, guys. That's all it is. 3 minutes to the biggest battle of our professional lives. All comes down to today. We're in hell right now. Believe me. The margin for error is so small. I mean, 1/2 a step too late or too early, and you don't quite make it. 1/2 second too slow, too fast, you don't quite catch it. The inches we need are everywhere around us. On this team, we tear ourselves and everyone else around us to pieces for that inch. We claw with our fingernails for that inch. Because we know when we add up all those inches, that's gonna make the fucking difference between winning and losing. You gotta look at the guy next to you. Look into his eyes. You're gonna see a guy who will sacrifice himself for this team because he knows when it comes down to it, you're gonna do the same for him. That's the team, gentlemen. And either we heal now as a team, or we will die as individuals.
There are some pretty good matches coming up for the World Cup. Good luck to all the fans out there. Let's take a very quick break. This is what's coming up next. Copa Airlines started its operations to Aruba in 2008. The Latin American airline started with 4 flights a week. They have now expanded to 11, and there are hopes for the airline to be operating twice daily in the near future. A strengthened partnership between Aruba Airport Authority and Copa Airlines was solidified on Thursday with the official announcement of added flights. Copa's added flights is certainly a cause for celebration. Jim Heppel, the CEO of AHATA, says despite Copa being a Latin American airline, these new routes will benefit the American market as well.
Well, this is great because it adds 4 flights a week from Panama. And over the past few years, we've seen them add an enormous amount of business from South America as a result of the hub in Panama City. So we're very happy about this because what it will mean is that it should allow more passengers to come in from Brazil, Peru, Ecuador, Chile, not so much Colombia because of the flights from Bogota, but also from the western United States because Panama is now a big hub, not just from people coming up from the south, but also from people coming in from the west coast.
Copa Airlines has showed continuous growth and progress in Aruba. It is anticipated for even more flights to be added on.
This is just one step along the way, that we went from 4 flights to 7, now to 11, and we're hoping that within maybe 18, 24 months, we'll be up to 2 flights a day from Panama.
Copa now offers more options to Latin American travelers flying in and out of Aruba.
It means, first and foremost, better connections, optimal connections with the South and Central American market. We have been expanding this service since 2008. Panama is an important gateway to that market. And so we are happy that we have a better coverage on that market at the moment. And we hope that we will get to a twice daily flight.
That is it for us today. Thank you so much for joining us. Be sure to tune back in on Monday night starting at 7:15 p.m. right here on Channel 15 ATV for all the latest in lifestyle topics and for the latest on the island. We'll see you then.